Hey, so I just wanted to share some results with you. If you're looking to actually take your business online as an online marketer and leverage the power of the internet, if you're in network marketing or affiliate marketing, then this video is for you. If you don't know who I am, my name is Gio Gianta, and a couple years back I was $87,000 in debt. I was stressed, I was depressed, I didn't know what I was going to do, and I didn't know how I would get out of it. And a couple of the mentors that I had showed me a concept that allowed me to actually change my life by actually learning how to leverage the power of the internet. Now, I'm gonna show you exactly what happened. As you could see in front of me, I got some results, and I just wanted to say, if you want more videos like this, if you like seeing results and things like that, make sure you subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. But if you like results, I'm going to show you this. I just had some results come in today. I had a sale come in today at 11:15 a.m. in the afternoon, and I'm shooting my second video today. And I did this all by leveraging the power of the internet. A lot of times people come online and they don't know how to actually find people who have an interest in what they have to offer. Now, I've just been promoting this opportunity to my email list on the back end and also through YouTube and social media, right? So I haven't really did any promotions with it directly, but I'm making sales and I've hit the leaderboards in this opportunity already, and I've only been in for about a month now, and I'm still getting everything together because there's so much material back there. So when you're trying to build and learn how to actually, grow your business online, you're going to need some tools. So I'm going to show you exactly what kind of stuff you would need, right? So when you first get into any opportunity, you're going to need a way to actually build an audience. So with that being said, what you have is a funnel that you're going to need to get people to. You're going to need to have people, be able to see what you have to offer, and you're going to have to be able to actually follow up with them and be able to build a relationship and them know about you for them to actually buy from you, right? So when you're building anything online, you have to have an audience, you have to have a need. So with a sales funnel, you're able to actually capture email addresses and actually follow up with those people to see where they're at in life and what they need and their pains and what they're trying to overcome, and they could actually know more about you, right? And whenever they put in their email, what happens is they're taken to a page like this that has a video, then a button to get started. And they have the option to buy. And even if they don't buy, they get a series of follow-up emails that go to them, giving them more information about what you're doing and how you can help them. So you're building a relationship with your audience by email marketing and also using social media, right? So something like this, these are all tools. So the first thing that you're going to learn is actually you're going to have a community to tap into to actually, get your questions answered. And there's a Telegram group that you would be a part of that you could actually put your questions in there as well. Then you're going to learn how to actually build any business online. And then you're gonna get into the funnel builder setup, and you're gonna have to have your own domain because that's where you're gonna host your pages at, right? That's where your funnel is gonna go on your domain, and then you're gonna need your autoresponder set up, and that's what actually sends your emails out, and that's what houses your contacts. That's what houses the people that have an interest is your email list, right? You have to have these tools to build your business online. So that means, even while you're sleeping, you're still getting people to see your offers, and you're still building an audience, and you're still seeing the virtual you even while you're sleeping, right? So that's what's really cool about the internet. And then you're going to learn how to actually, build out your pages, how to optimize for mobile, how to create custom tracking, so you know your numbers, because you always want to know your numbers and track. Then you're going to need to know how to do like an exit pop. So if somebody tries to leave your page, you could keep them on your page. Then you'll be able to know how to share your funnels with people, right? So anybody that signs up with you, you'll know how to share your funnels. You're going to know how to track your leads. You're going to learn how to have your own products and sell them. You're going to learn how to do an upsell and a downsell. So basically, an upsell is if somebody buys. Let's say I would click on this button in front of me and I would buy. Then it would be a second option, which is an upsell, and it would offer something else of value for another price, and they might actually buy the upsell. If they don't buy, they might get a downsell, which is something still of value, but it's at a lower price, right? And that's an upsell and a downsell. And then there's a membership site. So if you're a marketer, you want to have your own site, your own, membership site, you could build that out to where you have people coming in as a membership, and you offer a membership fee for them to have your content, right? And then there's appointments that you could book with your team. You'll know how to do your own pages, how to do your own graphics. You're going to learn how to do survey pages if you want to survey people. You're going to learn how to split test, which is testing 2 pages to see which copy, which writing on the page converts the most. You're going to learn about email marketing tips. You're going to learn about how to create your own, website and host it. And then you could also get coaching as well. This system alone is $25 a month. It gives you a $20 residual income every month, which is very, very cheap. It's extremely cheap. If you look at other tools such as, ClickFunnels or Lead Pages, they're up to like $100 a month minimum. And then, for a pro member or whatever, you're paying $297 per month just for the funnel builder alone, right? But this is only $25 a month. You get a $20 commission out of that. So you get $20 back for signing up with it, right? So you're only paying $5 a month really just for this whenever you get your first sale with this, right? And you could get sales a lot, right? But I wanted more. I wanted to learn about, traffic and conversions. This offers $100 more, so I signed up for this. And is what this actually shows you is it shows you how to get traffic. And you're going to learn about, pre-traffic. You're going to learn about, how to store your passwords. And you're going to learn about your target market, like who you're marketing to. And then you're going to learn how to create a lead magnet, which is what you give away to people in exchange for their email. So it might be a giveaway of some kind or something like that, right? Then you're going to learn free methods. You're going to learn how to launch your business. You're going to learn how to invite. You're going to learn how to follow up with people. You're going to learn how to get unlimited leads with Facebook. You're going to learn how to blog, how to rank your videos in YouTube, which is why you see my videos at the top of the search engines. You're going to learn about podcasting, which is like a radio show like Joe Rogan has, right? You're going to learn about LinkedIn and how to recruit on LinkedIn, which is a social media platform like Facebook. You're going to learn how to do Facebook Lives, and you're going to learn how to do Facebook advertising, and you're also going to learn how to launch your own product. So if you do a launch, that's giving value on the front end than selling on the back, right? And it might be, I want to have presentation. You might have 5 to 10 people on there. They might convert 50%. So if 5 people buy, and the price is, let's say, $500, you just made a good amount of money in that, hour and a half that you had to do a presentation, right? And then they also have a conversion portion or a paid advertising, which teaches you solo ads, Facebook ads, and Facebook video ads. And then you're going to learn about conversions, which is the conversion formula. You're going to learn how to close your leads, insider secrets to close. And then you're going to learn how to, get somebody started the right way when they sign up. And then you'll be able to get coaching. You can get morning coaching. It's a mastermind call for mindset. And then there's a Monday night call, which is showing you how to market your business, and everybody gets together and shares what they're doing in their business to get results. So that's really cool. I've been speaking on there. I went on there to speak before, and it was really cool. There was over 70 people on that call, right? And it was live by Zoom, so it was face to face, right? And then there's also a Take Action Mastermind, which is actually when the owners of the company go over the shoulder and you could see what they're doing in their business live, and that's daily stuff. So it's really, really cool that you get to actually see what they're doing in their business to get results. And then there's also some other, bonuses that you could tap into. And then there's done for you funnels, so you could get up and going immediately, and you don't have to do too much. It's already done for you, and you get all this with the traffic and conversions portion, and it gives you $100 commission. So you're getting $120 a month to learn marketing, right? And then, so once you start having your funnel set up, you start getting sales, you're going to want to know how to run your business. You have no idea how to run your business. This course is a one-time buy. It gives you a $400 commission. You get a $400 commission from it. This whole thing offers 80% commissions. So altogether, you're getting over $500 per sign up with this, right? And this is going to teach you all about finances, how to eliminate debt, and then it's going to teach you how to eliminate taxes, what to do to actually save money and not have to give it away with taxes. And then you're going to learn about retirement planning strategies, and then you're going to learn about how to actually keep your records together as a business owner. And then you're going to learn about side incomes that you could invest in to actually keep more of your money and make more profit. Because when you start making more, you got to do investments to where you could keep more of your money, so that way it's not taken in taxes. So that's what this teaches you. It teaches you about property and everything like that. Your method, whatever method you want to do, you could do, and it also teaches you how to avoid scams, which is really cool. It's needed for a lot of people because a lot of people are subject to scams nowadays, and it's really sad. But yeah, if you get started with me today, is what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually help you to get at least 1,000 people per month to see this opportunity. But you have to, get in and get all in and show me that you're serious. And then we're going to actually go through how to get traffic and how to get people to see the offer. So yeah, when you sign up with me, I give you extra attention, and I have a Facebook group. I have the Facebook group in the description of this video, so make sure you get in there. It's free. And click on the link below this video to get started. And I'm going to help you to be able to get those people to see your offer, and you'll be able to actually offer that as an incentive to get people to sign up with you, is learning how to do traffic, which is important. So yeah, click on the link below this video and make sure you subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, and I'll talk to you soon.